Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. MicroStrategy could face a multi-billion-dollar tax hit on unrealized Bitcoin gains, while tobacco stocks might see a boost as the U.S. menthol cigarette ban is scrapped. Paramount Global's shares rise amid reports of a competing takeover offer, and the EPA may revoke California's authority to set its own emission limits. The S&P ends below its record high but wraps up a winning week ahead of the Fed's first 2025 meeting. SoFi Technologies' Q4 earnings highlight loan growth and financial services focus as NextEra Energy plans to expand gas and nuclear operations for the AI boom. Meanwhile, Trump meme coin frenzy signals more market froth according to Moody's analysis. Stay tuned after this short ad break for an in-depth look at these stories and more. MicroStrategy, a significant corporate holder of Bitcoin, might encounter a 15% tax on unrealized gains from its $47 billion in Bitcoin holdings. Founded by Michael Saylor, the company revealed that its cryptocurrency assets comprise $18 billion in Bitcoin.
The tobacco industry is experiencing major changes as the Food and Drug Administration suggests a rule to significantly reduce nicotine levels in cigarettes, including menthol types. This development occurs alongside changing political dynamics in Washington, D.C., which could affect tobacco regulations.
Paramount Global's stock rose by 1.2% after news of a competing bid from Project Rise, which offered $19 per share for Paramount's Class B shares, according to Variety on Friday.
The Trump administration's EPA might revoke California's authority to enforce strict car emission standards designed to combat climate change, as reported by Bloomberg, citing a U.S. Supreme Court filing.
Major stock averages closed lower on Friday but achieved weekly gains. The S&P 500 index reached record highs, driven by the Trump trade and strong earnings. Stocks recorded a second consecutive week of growth, led by a 2% increase.
SoFi Technologies will release its fourth-quarter earnings on Monday. Investors are eager for insights into loan growth and the financial services segment. Analysts expect the company to report earnings per share of 4 cents, with revenue expectations also being closely watched.
NextEra Energy shares increased by 5.1% on Friday, topping the S&P 500, even though fourth-quarter earnings remained unchanged. The rise followed the company's announcement of a partnership with General Electric Vernova to concentrate on natural gas generation.
United States President Donald Trump introduced his official meme coin last week, just before his inauguration on January 20th. The token had a volatile market journey, reaching a peak market capitalization of $15 billion amid excitement over his administration's pro-cryptocurrency stance.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights that drive success. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.